Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best working promo codes of trip.com. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So how can you get it? Now first of all, open a browser, go like you will open a Google and just go to this website which is called couponfollow.com. Make sure to enter the exact website couponfollow.com in your browser and open the website. Now once you're at the homepage of this website, so you will see a search section like this one. Go to this search section and just write down here trip.com, and once you write down trip.com, so you will see this one trip.com. Just open it or click this once, and once you click it, you will see a list of coupon codes which are available at this website. Now you can see the rating, overall rating, and 187 people have voted, which means most of the code are working. So as you can see, 9% off, 25% off, 50% off, and also like these codes are updated daily. As you can see, top trip.com promo codes for September 26 2025, which is basically you can say that this is the current date. So these codes are updated daily. Don't worry, just find a code. Let's say I want to use this one. Just click on see coupon, and once you click on see coupon, so you will see the code. I think this one, this is an offer, so let me just this one, show coupon code. And once you click here, you will see a coupon code like this one. So just click on copy, and you can just directly go to redeem at trip.com, or just go to trip.com and redeem your coupon code. Some of them might not be working, so make sure to try at least 2 3 codes, and one of them will work for you. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can find those promo codes.